Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be cooking a HelloFresh meal. It doesn't work now probably, but I was sponsored by HelloFresh on my Twitch channel, and I was able to get people 50% off and 35% off their future deals, so that went really well. We had a load of fries last night. It was nice. So HelloFresh provides you with ingredients, fresh ingredients from the thing. So this is what I ordered: cheesy barbecue pork burger. You have to make it yourself. Pesto bacon mushroom linguine, honey soy glazed duck. That's what we're going to be having today. And a yellow Thai style vegetable curry. You could add some chicken into that, I guess. And this is what we had last night: the buffalo fries, which were very decent, but I think Nicola got confused and just put the fries and everything separately, but we're going to go and try and recreate that. Bag number 30, so this is one of the bags to come with. I also need to go in and get the duck, but what's in it is fragrant jasmine rice, some salt with some peanuts, rice vinegar, cucumber. This is quite limp, but we'll still use it. Pigeon chai. Sorry if I've butchered that. That's another leaf of that. Not sure what it's. I've never actually had one of these before, so I have no idea if that is right or wrong. I bought some honey, and I believe this will be the 25 ml of soya sauce and some more honey. So basically it gives you the cooking instructions, and I'll go and get the duck as well. So this bag here just contains a lot more cooling stuff and other types of miscellaneous stuff. Like this is like this would be like the pork for making the burger. So, and there's a bit of garlic there as well. I might just get that out just so I hate doing garlic. Perfect. So let's get cooking. So, preheating the oven. Check. Lengthways. So I'm just gonna. It's like here. So, oh, that's what I'll do there. Doesn't really taste of anything, to be honest, but maybe earthy. Actually, earthy. So. There we go. I just love cucumber as well. Right, what I'm supposed to do is use a rolling pin and crush these nuts here in an unopened packet. I don't have that. I have this for my posto di metal. So I'm just gonna, I think that looks they're crushed. There we go. So the only thing I need to do now is the garlic, and then we're going to go onto the rice, fry the duck, make my salsa, glaze the duck, finish and serve. Nice and easy. So, got the garlic. It says I'm supposed to grate it or It says I'm supposed to grate it or use a mincer, but I think just doing it yourself will be fine. It says look at the pantry for serving for the rice, but it's about half a cup of rice, so I will just use water, and I'll just cook it from there. So a wee bit of salt. So that's the rice steaming away now, so that's all done. So that's just going to sit there, steam, keep hot, and then now we're going to get the duck frying. Alright, so that's getting quite warm now, so I'm going to put the skin side down. 6 to 8 minutes until golden brown. And there we go. Right, so set timer for 1 minute. There we go, beautiful and golden. Right, so to cook it skin side up or skin side down and season with salt and pepper. So what I've done is I've covered this in salt and pepper, so it's going to get nice and salt and pepper, and it's going to get salt and pepper coat on the back as well. So just like before, you get a little bit of the salt and pepper action over here. Like before, it should just come up quite nicely. And this is to go be placed in the oven for 16 minutes. So here we go. How warm is this? There we go. So we'll start off at 17 minutes. Gotta turn that off for just now, and we'll come back to that later. So to add cucumber, the rice wine vinegar, olive oil, sugar, not supplied by them. So you do have to have household ingredients as well to mix it. Then this is going to make just a wee salsa. I take it you don't like cucumber then, do you? You're taking it over there, and you gonna have a look at it, Bailey? There you go. Ready, sit. That's twice you've nosed it. I don't think he likes it. Let's have a wee look at this duck. Smoking! Right. It's time to take the duck out to rest. Could have looked better going in the oven than it did coming out. I am going to put some olive oil in here, high heat. Let it heat up. And we need to stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. I think we'll do 2 since it's on a high heat. Always got to keep it moving. Always. Let's get some chefy shit going on here. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a wee bit chefy shit going on. There we go. So this is going to taste, I imagine, very earthy like to go with the duck. So that's going to probably continue cooking there for a wee bit, and that oil is just going to sit there. I'm going to turn this down to half heat. Half heat, look at that there. Oh. So it's time, after reduced it to half heat, we're going to add the soy sauce. And the honey to the pan. Low key, didn't expect it to fizz up that much. So we're going to wait for it to reduce by half. Just going to keep this moving. So first of all, I'm just going to not burn it. Might still burn the worktop, but screw it. Content. So in goes the first duck, second duck. Can't forget all that nice flavour. It doesn't tell you to do that in the instructions. That's just a tip I've picked up from many chefs. There we go. So we're gonna coat this and all this lovely sauce. There we go. There we go. Please. And just hope that it's all cooked. And this here, ladies and gentlemen, is your final product. I'll just put one more over there. Remember, I do have a second duck breast. So, let's see how this tastes. Let's go with the rice first. I know many people go for the meat option first, but let's just get the rice and the pad thai taste out the way. Nice, you can get the nice earthy texture I was talking about earlier. You get the nice cooked rice, nice fluffy rice, and you get the garlic infusion there as well. And let's go with that was the cucumber salsa. Absolutely lovely. So let's go for the main ingredient here, the duck. Get some nice sauce on that. I think you can definitely taste the honey in the sauce, but the soya and its nice saltiness, but I think you could get away without seasoning the duck because it's nicely cooked on the underside, but I think the salt with the soya sauce is a wee bit maybe overpowering. Maybe that was just one bite, or maybe that's how I cooked it. I definitely think the salt detracts away either the sauce or does detract a wee bit from the flavour of the duck, but it is a nice meal overall. It was relatively easy to cook, no hassle at all. It took me about 50 minutes in general just to get everything prepared, plus the camera work and everything like that. So it's not been too bad. A nice bottle of wine. I've went with Shiraz, could be done with a Malbec or something along that lines. Even, I would always choose red, to be honest. I am a Shiraz type of guy. What is it like if I get a wee bit of it all mixed together? So I've got the salsa, the rice, the pad thai thing, and of course the lovely duck, mixed with the sauce. That's really pleasant actually. You get the earthiness of and it blends well with the duck. Just as I thought, the rice is obviously done really nice, and the nice acidity of the salsa. Well, for a meal that I paid £14.99 for the first month, or for the first 3 or 4 meals, it was worth it. So, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit the comment section down below. I will put my discount code in just in case it still works. I won't earn any more money off it, but you guys might get some discount. And hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for some more videos. As always, have a nice day. Cheers.